dedicated time slots. See, we all have lot many activities to be performed on day-to-day basis based on our priorities. Take for example your preparation. You have videos to watch, tests to give on a daily basis, discussions on weekly basis, and various other activities going on. And have you ever realized that everyone has more or less the same amount of time, but few accomplish more than others? What could be the reason? It's all about having dedicated time slots for each and every activity based on your priorities. And once you have a dedicated time slot for all various activities in your particular day, believe me, you're going to accomplish more. So, are you having dedicated time slots for all your priority tasks?